Welcome, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And from today onwards, we shall learn how to speak in English. And this will be the main motto of our channel. We shall speak in English whatever we shall speak and on whatever topic we will speak. So, it is clear to you, I think so, that the main motto of our channel is to learn spoken English and on any topic, on any place, from anywhere. And that's why we have named our channel Speak English Everywhere. It means we will learn spoken English from every place and from every situation. Our main motto will be how to speak in English, how to master in spoken English. And to fulfill that, we shall go to every milestone. We shall not leave any stone unturned. That means we shall try every method. Whichever method will help, we shall took that method to implement to learn our spoken English. So, friends, be together or be with us and follow our YouTube channel to learn how to speak English. Many of us says that they can read English, they can understand spoken English, but they have lack of spoken English. Actually, the problem is that we have no such circumstances, or we are not habituated to speak in English. That is why we have to start our spoken English. Many of us just thinking just thinking that one day we shall start our spoken English, but that day is not coming to us. That is why, friend, from today onwards we have to promise ourselves that from today onwards, in which place we will be and in which situation we will be, we shall try to speak in English. Our main motto will be how we shall learn to speak in English. I know that it is not a matter that it will be solved or we will be able to speak in English in a day, but we have to consistent with our speaking. If we are consistent and if we are really wish to learn this language in speaking, I hope and I am very much sure that one day we will be very much able or we will be able enough to speak in English on any topic with anyone. But the main problem is that we have the lack of confidence or we have the lack of conversation because we feel we are from not English medium student, so how can we will be able to speak in English? But the method is that it is a process of speaking, so you have to speak with whichever words or English knowledge have with you. With that little knowledge you have to start speaking, and when you will start speaking, that means you are going to learn that speaking process, and through this process day by day you learn how to improve the spoken English. It will not come one day, I am telling once again that it will not come in a day, but it will come one day must, if we continue our spoken English. So don't be afraid, just start from today, from now on, whichever topic you would like. at the basic from um, your conversation start with your familiarity, with your address, with your basic knowledge, whichever basic knowledge you have, just start with that. It will help you to learn spoken English. But if we just think that one day I shall start our spoken English, but that day will not never come, friend. So from today onwards, don't waste any more times in thinking. Just start speaking from today onwards. It will help you to speak in English because it's a process of speaking. So it will not be learned through reading or anything else. If you want to really be mastered in spoken English or fluent English spoken, then you have to start spoken English. I know at first you will humbled in speaking, but whenever you feel humble or tumbled, then at that time learn in which word or in which things you are tumbling, and try to overcome that tumbling situation or that tumbling word. Find that word in your dictionary and try to overcome that you want to say something but you are not getting that word. In that situation, you have to make some notes or words to speak that words. But in the first things whichever you have to do, that is you have to start your spoken English. I am also not from English medium student, but I am trying myself. I know I am not fluent enough today, but one day I shall be fluent enough in spoken English. And that is why, my friend, I am requesting all of you who are really want to speak English but they have not started yet. It is my request to all of them, please join us and to follow our YouTube channel regular basis and start your spoken English, and that is how you will be able to speak in English. Otherwise it will not be able to be able to speak in English. So you have to start your spoken English, and through your spoken English you will be able how to know spoken English. But in first stage to start your spoken English, you should have some basic knowledge also. Otherwise it will be quite difficult. You must have the knowledge of sentences and you must have the knowledge of tenses. And in the next video I shall give some tips on tense and sentences, or I shall discuss something about on tense and sentences, in how tense and sentences will help you to speak in English. That will be the next topic. But from today onwards, I think basic knowledge we have, whichever we want to say, and that is introducing myself and say something about myself, that that basic English is known to us, I think so. And start with that knowledge and it will grow regular basis when you will start speaking and learn speaking English. That will help you very much. But once again, friends, I will tell you or I will suggest you, please start speaking if you really want to master yourself in spoken English. Otherwise it will not be able, because it's the process of spoken. Sometimes we have lots of words we can understand, but we cannot speak in front of others because of some reasons, because I we feel shy or whatever may be there. But we have to overcome that situation, and that situation will be overcome through our speaking. It's a habit, and we have to make that habit regular basis, and that's why, and that through that method we will be able to learn our spoken English. Thanking, thank you, friends. We shall meet on our next video, and on next video we shall discuss about tense and sentences, how tense and sentences will help us to improve our spoken English. That will be our next topic. Thank you very much. Practice your spoken English regular basis, and we shall meet very soon. Thank you.